Hello everyone, welcome to Study Time. In this video, we are going to see Class 4 EVS Chapter 4 Story of Amartha textbook explanation with solutions. The purpose of this video is to make kids understand the answers are just for reference only. Students are highly recommended to write their own answers. The answers may vary from student to student based on their observations. Here, this is a true story from long ago. This happened almost 300 years ago in a village called Kejerli. There lived a girl named Amartha. Kejerli village is near Jodhpur in Rajasthan. The village got its name because of many kejadi trees that grew there. The people of this village took great care of the plants, trees, and animals. The people of the village remembered what their elders used to tell them. They used to say, plants and animals can survive without us, but we cannot survive without them. So this is a kejadi tree in Rajasthan. It is found in desert areas. It can grow without much water. Its bark is used for making medicines. People cook and eat its fruits. Its wood is such that it will not be affected by insects. And children like you play in its shade. So this is a India map. You can see this red part is Rajasthan. In Rajasthan, Kejerli is a village in Jodhpur district. Next, Amartha's friends. Amartha would get up early every morning and greet her friends, trees. Here, Amartha considers her trees as friends. She would choose a special tree for the day. She would put her arms around the tree trunk and whisper to the tree, "Friend, you are strong and beautiful. You care for us. Thank you, tree. I love you very much. Give your strength to me also." Like Amartha, the other children also had their special trees. They would play for hours in the shade of the trees. Is there a place near your house, school, or along the roadside where trees have been planted? So you can write either yes or no. Yes, there are a number of trees planted in a park near my house and school. Why were they planted there? All the trees have been planted for shade and fresh air. They also make the surrounding green and beautiful. Have you seen anyone taking care of the trees? Who does this? The gardener takes care of all the trees planted in the gardens and parks. Have you seen fruits on any of the trees? Who eats these fruits? Yes, some of the trees bear fruits in particular season. Animals like monkeys and some birds, even people eat those fruits. Lalita feels that grass and some plants growing near her school wall have not been planted by anyone. Do you know of any place where grass, small plants or trees are growing on their own without being planted? Yes, you can see those kind of trees in forest, wildlife sanctuaries, nearby roads. Next, why do you feel they are growing on their own? Because no one planted those grass and small trees. Many grasses and plants grow in nature on their own. Next, trees in danger. Time went by. Amartha was now grown up. One day she went to greet her trees. She saw some strangers in her village. They had axes with them. They said that the king had sent them to cut trees for wood. The wood was needed for building the king's palace. Amartha was shocked. She went to the tree that the men were about to cut. She put her arms around the tree and hugged it tightly. The men shouted and threatened her, but Amarta did not let go of the tree. The king's men had to follow his order. They had to cut the tree. On seeing this, Amarta's daughters and hundreds of villagers, old and young, hugged the trees to protect them. Many people, including Amarta and her daughters, died to save the trees. When the king heard of this, he could not believe that people gave up their lives for trees. He visited the village himself. There he learned about villagers' respect for trees and animals. Do you remember what the elders of this village used to say? Yes, the elders of this village used to say, plants and animals can survive without us, but we cannot survive without them. Do you think we could survive if there were no trees and no animals? Discuss this in your class. No, we cannot, because trees gives us oxygen to breathe and food to eat. We'll see how the village is protected. The village's strong feelings for trees affected the king greatly. So it was very much affected king. He ordered that from then on no tree would be cut and no animal harmed in that area. Even today, almost 300 years later, the people of this area continue to protect plants and animals. Even though in the middle of the desert, this area is green and animals roam freely without fear. So do you remember that in class 3 you had made a tree your friend? How is your friend? So go and check how is your tree friend. Why don't you make a new friend this year? Have you seen how your friends, the trees change in some ways in different months of the year? So each month the tree would be different. Write about any one tree. Does the tree flower? Is the tree flowers? Do the flowers remain on the tree throughout the year? No. In which month do their leaves fall? Leaves of the tree usually fall in the month of January. Do fruits grow on the tree? Yes, they grow. In which months do they grow? Mangoes grow in the month of March. So each tree will grow in different month. Have you eaten these fruits? Yes or no, you can write. Sometime back you have read in the newspapers or seen on TV how some film actors have to face legal action for hunting. So you would have seen this incident in TV or newspapers. Why do people hunt? Either for food or for fun, they hunt animals. There are rules against hunting of some animals. People can be punished for hunting. Why do you think there is this punishment? This punishment has been made to save animals. Talk to your grandparents and find out which birds did they see around them when they were young age. So they might see crow, sparrow, parrot, eagle, cuckoo, etc. Have the number of these birds become less? Yes, some of these birds have become less. Example, vultures, sparrow, eagles. Are there some birds or animals which they cannot see anymore? Yes, there are many birds and animals which are no more, like dinosaurs. Some cheetahs are not available. Shanti's grandfather told her that when she was a small child, he saw more birds like sparrows and myna than he sees today. Can you make 2 guesses why their numbers have become less? Because of hunting and cutting down of trees. The count has become less. The Kejarli tree was the most common tree that grew up in Amarta village. Which kind of trees can you see a lot of in your area? Name 2 such trees. You can ask about these trees from your elders. I have written 2 trees, mango tree and neem tree. Mango tree provides us shade. It has strong branches. It has many types. It gives us sweet fruits. Mangoes are grown mostly in summer season. Neem is a fast growing tree. It is a medicinal plant. So each neem tree is a medicine. Neem has antibacterial, antifungal, antiviral properties. So neem is used in many forms in medicines. Hope I covered all parts of Class 4 EVS Chapter 4, the story of Amarta. The lesson to be learned from this chapter is, being kids, you should all try to protect trees, birds, animals. Will you all do it, kids? Yes. Please give a like, comment for this video. Thanks for watching.